Hey, it's me, Mr. O, back again. So we've already looked at one practice problem, so let's look at another one real quick here. As we do that, I apologize for Baby Shark in the background because he's now eating. So anyways, no further ado, let's go ahead and start these. So remember, the first thing you need to do here is when we do these things is we need to see if we have any distributing property. So you should be working this on Cami, listening or watching this as you go, put it on a piece of paper, whatever you need to do. So right here, I have my distributing property, the part right here in the blue. So I'm going to do that distributive property first. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do 3 times 1x, which gives me 3x. Then I'm going to do 3 times 4, which will give me 12. So that's pretty straightforward. And it's all going to equal 28. But I have to remember, I still have this guy over here. I'm going to circle in reddish color. I can't forget about him, so I got to put him down too as well. So I get a 5x there. Okay. So I just did the part in blue. 3 times 1 is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. And now I'm ready to see what my next step is, which is combine like terms. So I'm going to look for the terms that I have that are alike. So I'm going to circle those here in the green. So those are the ones with the x's here. 3x and 5x I can combine together like we've done. So if I have 5x and plus 3x, that gives me 8x's. This 12 does not combine to anything. So it's just left there. And it still all equals 28. Okay. Now I've finished that. I don't think I have any more terms to combine. I'm done with my distributive property. I'm now going to go on to my next one here and solve this two-step equation. Okay? It's okay, bud. So I'm going to solve this two-step equation. I'm going to move the constant over to the total. And I get my coefficient term, 8x, to equal 28 minus 12. My new total there is going to give me 16. This is times, so I need to divide now by 8 on both sides to find out what my x is. So my x here is 2. Okay? All right. Last but not least, I'm going to put it all back in and check it. So I'm going to put this -2. I'm going to put this 2 back into the original problem up here. So wherever I have my x, so it's going to be 5 times 2 plus 3, parentheses 2 plus 4 equals 28. So I can put that back into my calculator here using my Desmos. So I'd have 5 times 2 plus 3, parentheses 2 plus 4 plus 4, close my parentheses, and you see I get 28. That's what I had, so I know my answer is correct. So I'm going to give you one for you to try. See how you do.